Welcome back to my channel. Here is another video about my autistic boy's routine. I'll be sharing with you what Zain has been doing the whole day, Zain's activities and attitude towards different things. Autistic children usually have a lot of energy, to do different things. They want to do something, and if they don't have anything to do in particular, so they do the same activities or repeat the activities they like to or they are interested in. So in my opinion, one of the best things to do is to give them tasks, let them do different things. The tasks, those are done at home, they can be involved in or they can be asked to do or asked to help. Zain, do you have something to do? No? Let's go outside. We'll throw the garbage. We have a lot of garbage to throw, so we can go outside and throw the garbage. Oh, you have a new bag? Okay. What is that bag?
Gabby's dollhouse.
Gabby's dollhouse, okay. Jen, take one garbage bag with you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, is it heavy? Zain is complaining it's heavy. Okay, let's go. He's having hard time carrying. Zain, is this heavy? Give it to daddy. You take care of this one. No, he's not listening. So these are all.
Over here, Kartunki, over here.
Yeah, carton is here. So you're gonna throw the cartons here. Like where it goes. This is plastic. The movie. In the movie. Okay, let's throw it to the movie.
That's so heavy. Oh, Lassie, this is Lassie, baby.
Lassie is here. Cans go here. It's like metal cans goes here. Very good, kids. And don't forget to close the door.
I can go. I found it.
What's that, Puya? Is everything all right? You can put this in your pocket so that you can enjoy swinging. Yes, good. Your hands are free now. You swing now. Ah, you want to swing? Okay. So you need help? You cannot sit yourself? Okay, I'll come and help you. Zain always holds the things in his hands, so his hands are always occupied. So he can't do the things properly. I just told him to put the plastic in his pocket. He put it in, and then he took something out from the another pocket. This is, I think, common behavior among the autistic kids. If they do the same, but the only thing we can do is to remind them all the time. Do you want to give it to daddy? Give it to me. So I'll leave him for a while, then I'll remind him again. At least now he's with his little brother, so they are swinging together. Zain, can you put this one into your pocket? You have something in the hand. Oops.
I'm pushing by myself.
Very good, Maher. You're doing great job. You don't need help. Zain, you will fall down. You don't need to push her, and it's okay. He manages himself. Yeah, that's fine. Here in Finland, you will find the playgrounds everywhere in front of the houses. So kids have opportunity to go out and play. In summer, the weather is nice, sunny, and they have vacations for 2 months, almost 2.5 months. So they can be outside playing. Put this one into your pocket, Daddy said. You cannot hold it.
Throw garbage.
Is it enough? Can we go back? Very good. So you helped him out.
No, let's play with the sky.
Let's go back, Kuya Zain. So every time when you come, you should bring your toys too. These toys belong to others. Zain is practicing something different. Zain, you walk. We forgot to check the post box, so he knows what exactly his house number is. Is there anything inside? No? Okay. Again. See, you have garbage in, you need to throw it. You can't just keep the garbage here. See?
Too much garbage.
Oh my god, too much garbage.
No.
You must throw it. You can't just fill your pocket with the garbage, so you have to throw it. Okay? Zain, have you washed already your hands? Are you done washing hands? Yeah, Zain is done. So Zain is eating today pancit. You have rice with chicken. This is what I do in the afternoon. If I have time, I bring them outside. He goes outside with the siblings. When they play outside, then they are hungry, come home to eat.
Just really jump on the mud. So they should
Done eating. Zain made something different. This is a garbage bin with garbage inside. It's made of paper, and there is also a lid, and there is a paper garbage inside. He always goes to the garbage bin and he throws the garbage there, and we tell him just don't throw all the time, just collect it in one place and then throw it. So he made something. This is his own creation. Here you go. There's the garbage.
Here you go.
Zain, can you tell me what is this?
Garbage.
Garbage. Say hi, I'm Zain. I am Zain. And Zain has something else here.
Yeah, why?
Bus. This is a blue bus. So we have here in Finland blue and orange bus. It's not done very well, but there are other buses. Those are made nicely by Zain. Keeps his things. So you will put it inside there, and his all toys goes there. And where is your pencil case? The one you received today, gift. Can you open it, please? You sit down there and open it. Sit down. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now you close it and put it back there. Thank you for showing us. What Zain does that every time he cuts something, then he throws the garbage maybe 10 times in an hour. We tell him not to do that, not to go to the garbage all the time. He can collect the garbage in one place and then throw it together. So maybe this was his idea, to make a small garbage bin himself. And then he puts all the papers there, and then he's gonna throw them. Zain wants to play piano. Okay, let him play piano for a while. Zain, can you change? Not the same. Play something different. So this is his reaction because I interrupted him.
I have a pencil case.
Oh, you have a pencil case.
I even have stickers.
Stickers too?
I'm gonna be grade 3.
Just a little bit chismis. Oh wow. You have a nice pencil case. He plays piano, plays the same music all the time. And he likes it, he enjoys it. Now he's looking at me, he knows that I'm talking about him. Okay, Zain, you try now.
There's a bug.
Okay.
There's a bug.
You did it. You try again. Happy birthday to you. This is something good about Zain, that sometimes or most of the times he share with his siblings. The sister was sitting with him doing piano together, playing piano together. He was not annoyed. Zain has gone upstairs to sleep. He has already brushed his teeth. What he does every day in the morning when he wakes up, he brings the toys all the time. He brings them down, store them here, put them under the sofa. In the evening, after his dinner and everything, he goes upstairs. So he brings them back up and down, to bring the thing. He can keep the toys down because he knows the same house. We try to stop him. We sometimes throw the garbage that he makes, cuts and crafts and do so many things. So the basket is almost full. We throw it away. He doesn't mind it. In the beginning, he would mind it. Now he's fine with it. Especially he's fine with his mother. Okay, what you have on your bed? Sleep now. So these were the activities of my autistic boy. what he has been doing in the evening. Morning went well, and now it's time for them to sleep. So this was today's routine. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please thumbs up. Share your comments and thoughts if you have any such experience. I'll be keep posting and sharing the Zen's routine. If you are new to the channel or platform, consider subscribing and following. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.